Hello, I'm Rebecca Durfee and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about shifting markets and especially the shifting market in 2021. As you can imagine, I am asked often, probably daily, what's happening in this market. If you're a seller, you're trying to gauge the best time to sell. And if you're a buyer, you're trying to gauge the best time to buy. And let's face it, it has been a seller's market for the last few months, pretty much exclusively. But that is starting to change based solely on numbers and week over week, month over month. What we are seeing is that the market is starting to take a little bit of that shift. It is headed towards balance. Now, can that change? Sure. It can change anytime. It can go sideways. It can revert. It can do all kinds of things. But right now, based on the numbers and on the market that we're seeing, we are softening. We are shifting into a little more balanced market, which is good news for our buyers and not necessarily bad news for our sellers, because it doesn't mean that the prices are going to drop necessarily. It doesn't mean that that all of a sudden your value is lost. We still have low inventory. It's just that it's not frenzy crazy. It's now a little bit crazy. And it hopefully it will still be strong for sellers and very desirable for buyers. We have, as the market starts to shift, we see that there are certain indicators, and one of those would be that we have more price reductions, and we've seen a significant increase in price reductions in the last month, especially in that $400,000 to $600,000 range. Those price reductions have increased significantly. We also will see less multiple offer situations. That tells us that the market's softening a little bit. We'll have longer days on the market. Sometimes a seller may be willing to give a home warranty or do some repairs. Those are things that we haven't seen in a while. There may be no appraisal waiver. That's the first thing I've seen, is the appraisal waivers, and the amount over the asking price has, in my experience in the last even few weeks, has reduced significantly. So still a good market, still a strong market, still a seller's market, but trying to get to that more balanced level. Is it still a great time to buy? Of course, it's still a great time to buy. We have amazing interest rates, wonderful homes, and good opportunities right now. So far, we have a good economy. So it's still a good time to buy if it's the right time to buy for you. Please always feel free to contact me, and I will be watching the market very closely so that I can give you up-to-date information along the way. Thank you for stopping by. Always feel free to like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope you have a wonderful day.